Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss VidIQ 2080 Ultimate Compression in detail. Before starting this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming new video updates. Topic we will discuss in this video in detail: starting price, value of harmony, quality, score feature, user scalability, vendor support, likelihood for implementation, reason for leaving, Facebook video management, YouTube video management, training video, SEO title documentation, description documentation, tag documentation, video analytics, video scope, a comment, thumbnail generator, card template, and ultimate review. Let's start. And the topic will be discussed why TubeBuddy is better than TubeBuddy in detail. First is what is TubeBuddy. VidIQ. What is VidIQ? VidIQ is a can optimize YouTube channel. VidIQ is an app designed to manage and optimize your channel for YouTube analytics to improve insight that help to make a better decision. VidIQ they help to grow your channel. This is a shortcut to your channel analyze and optimize tools. Starting pricing. The starting pricing of VidIQ is $7 per month. Next starting value price is $8 rating. Customer support service, the VidIQ best customer support service. Next, likelihood documentation. VidIQ is the best likelihood documentation. It is 100%. Reason for leaving this VidIQ application. This is cost. Next, Facebook video management. For the Facebook video management, VidIQ is excellent plugin. Next topic is trending video detail. For the VidIQ for trending video plate is excellent with 20%. SEO title documentation. SEO title documentation. VidIQ is excellent plugin for SEO title documentation. And the next is description tag documentation. For the description documentation, VidIQ is excellent for 20%. And the tag documentation, tag for the tag documentation for YouTube videos, VidIQ is the best ever plugin for your YouTube channel. Video analytics for video analytics detail, VidIQ is a good. Comment filter for the comment filter, VidIQ is a very excellent service. Thumbnail generator for the thumbnail generator, VidIQ is a very good for you. And the next and last topic, why the VidIQ is better than TubeBuddy. 11 reasons to consider this. First reason, VidIQ is cheaper than TubeBuddy. Second reason, offer a free plan with multiple advanced features. Next, third reason, with great feature list. Fourth reason, when it is come the video scorecard, VidIQ has rating 25% above than TubeBuddy. Next, when it is come to trending video details, VidIQ has the rating NFC above TubeBuddy. Next is category leader in SEO tools. And next topic is can has VidIQ 12% highlight feature. And next reason is it has the best keyword research tools for your YouTube video. Next it has a video scorecard. And next reason it has a video analytics plug for analytics. Next is best customer supporting service. A best easier to use for every time. And next best for low price software. And next reason and next and the last reason, 100% user say that they would be recommended like you VidIQ, because VidIQ is best plugin for your YouTube video analytics. It is done with TubeBuddy. Friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.